Hi everybody, welcome to Tips and Tricks for GCSE Maths. This is the second one. I'm Simon and this is ratio problems. I'm going to show you a particular method which is going to apply to almost all ratio problems that you're going to come across in a GCSE exam. Okay, the best way to show you is through an example. So here's a question. Cows and horses are in a field in the ratio 5:4. There's 54 animals altogether. How many cows are there? Okay, so we call it the box method, so we're going to draw some boxes. So we'll have the cows and the horses separate. So in the ratio, the cows and the horses are in the ratio 5:4. So I'm going to draw 5 boxes under the cows. And as I'm sure you guess, I'm going to draw 4 boxes under the horses. Okay, now the rule of the boxes, which is going to apply to all these problems, is that the same number has to go in each box. So remember that as a mantra, the same number needs to go in each box. So we need to decide what number we're going to put in. So I've got 9 boxes in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 54 animals altogether. So if I divide 54 by 9, I get 6. So I'm going to write the number 6 in every box. Remember, the same number goes in every box. Okay, now this is set up, we should be able to answer any question that it asks us. The question we're actually asked is how many cows are there? So we need to look down our list of cows. I've got 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. So that's 5 lots of 6. So I have 30 cows in total. And that is the answer. Okay. Now, you're probably thinking, well, you've got a method to do that. You probably get that right in an exam anyway. And I agree. But a lot of these ratio problems, they get a little bit more tricky. And I'm just going to show you now how this method works for every problem that you might come across. So here's another one. I've done the boxes for you this time just to speed things up a little bit. Paul and Carl share rent in the ratio 9:5. Paul pays £90 per week. How much do they pay altogether? So I set it up. Paul and Carl, 9 boxes, 5 boxes. Now this time it says Paul pays £90 a week. So these boxes here are the 90. Remember, I've got 9 of them. So 90 divided by 9 is 10. Same number goes in every box. And I can continue that in Carl's. Same number goes in every box. So strongly recommend that you fill in every box. Sometimes you don't need them all, but just do it anyway. It won't take too long. You're not going to run out of time on a GCSE paper. Okay, now the question is, how much do they pay all together? I have 10 in each box. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. I have 14 boxes with £10 in each box. So the answer is £140. Okay, great. Right, let's try one more just to show you that this will work for every type of question that you might get. I think I've just shown you the answer already there, but never mind. Okay, this time we're going to do a 3-part ratio. So Liam, Sarah and Emily shared some money in the ratio 2 to 3 to 7. So the first job is to set up the boxes. Liam, Sarah, Emily. Liam has 2. Sarah has 3. Emily has 7. Emily got £80 more than Liam. Now these are the tricky ones. These are the ones that always go wrong. There's Liam's, 2 boxes. There's Emily's. Emily has 7 boxes. So those boxes there are what Emily has more than Liam. So that is the £80. So those 5 boxes are where the £80 goes. If I divide 80 by 5, I get 16. So I can put 16 in every box. Remember, same number goes in every box. The question is, how much did Sarah get? Now we can see Sarah's share is in here. There are 3 boxes with 16 in each. The answer is 48. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you practice them, I promise you, it's almost foolproof this way, and it works for almost every type of ratio question. It's really worth trying. Okay, thanks very much.